First five from Basketballeros. Hertes, Matundan, Sarikal, Gomez, and Rasco. From Grisha 21, Sabala, Nano, Rai, Bola, and Palian. Beginning of the first quarter, jump on between. Gomez, good for 2 points. Gomez. Right, pass to Noora. Noora back to right, still by. Karpa, Usparat, Sarikal. Sarikal, first personal foul, first team foul. One bonus shot awarded to Palayan. First ready. '23 pass to still by right. Right attack, take the shot, no good. Rebound by jersey number 23. No good, rebound by Palayan. Right, winning the ball. Right, Diskarte. To Noora. Noora attack, side step, lays up. Karta. Foul. Jersey number 2. At 22. Number 20. Rasco. First personal foul, second team foul, good for 1 point. Noora. Running score 5-2. Favor of Grisha 21, 3 points lead. Matundan, pass to number 18. Hertes take the shot. No good. Rebound by number 21. Sarikal, pass to Matundan. Matundan, dribbling the ball. Take the shot. No good. Turnover. Last 3 minutes and 43 seconds before end of the first quarter. Running score 5-2. Favor of Grisha 21. Right. Right, Diskarte. Pass to Bola. Bola to right, take the shot. No good. Rebound by Sarikal. Sarikal to no good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6 to turnover. Three minutes and 13 seconds. Traveling violation committed by Hertes. Last 3 minutes and 6 seconds. 5-2. 3 points late. Grisha 21. Noora. Noora. Pass to Palayan. Back to Noora. Jump. No good. Rebound by Sarikal. Sarikal. Pass to Gomez. Gomez to Hertes. To Gomez. To Matundan. Take the shot. Good for 3 points. Matundan. 5-0. Nobody's favor. Noora. To right. Right side step. Take the shot. No good. Rebound by Bola. Fade away. No good. To Matundan. Matundan attack. Plays up. Good for 2 points. Change favor. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds for end of the first quarter. Noora Diskarte. Noora. Noora penetrates. Spin move. Take the shot. No good. To Matundan. Matundan pass to Hertes. Hertes. Hertes to Matundan. Matundan fake. Attack. Side step. No good. Turnover. Sabrap. Palihanap. Yanto coming in. Last 1 minute and 51 seconds. Rait, dumidiskarte. Rait, pass to Nora. Nora, take the shot. No good. Rebound by. One minute and 34 seconds. Gomez to Matundan to foul. Bola, first personal foul, first team foul. One bonus shot awarded to Rasco. Stop, no or out. Laporte coming in. Bonus shot awarded to Rasco. Jumpers ready. Good for 1 point. Perfect 3. Rasco. Score 10-5. Favor of Basketballeros. 5 points lead. Right to Laborte. Laborte nagmamadali pass to right. Jump. No good. Rebound by Sarikal. Sarikal ngayon. Pass to Matundan. Matundan dumadala ng bola. Matundan to Gomez. 8-second shot clock. Matundan, 5 seconds. Matundan. No good. Good. Sabala attack. Foul. Tanggal ang sapatos. Foul. Number 18, Hertes. First personal foul. Third team foul. 44 seconds. Inbound by Laborte to Sabala. Sabala attacks, side step, take the shot. Foul. Number 20. Sarikal. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 bonus shot awarded to Sabala. Good for 1 point. Sabala. Second throw, jumpers ready. No good. Rebound by Sarikal. To Hertes. Spin ulit. Wow. Black by Yanto. Laporte. To right. Right. Penetrate. Right. Jump. No good. Rebound by Matundan. Last 20 seconds. To Hertes. Big. Black by Laporte. Laporte. Dumadala ng bola. Laporte. Alley-oop. No good. Rebound by Rasco. Last 10 seconds. Passer na lang tayo to Gomez. Still by Yanto. Last 5 seconds. Right. Lays up. Good for 2 points. End of the first quarter. Running score. Beginning of the second quarter. Richa, 21. Bala. Rebound by Rodriguez. Lordelis. Dumidiskarte. 15 to shoot. Lordelis take the shot. No good. Rebound by Sabala. To Laborte. Laborte nagmamadali. Pass to Laborte. To Yanto. Spin. Walang bola. To right. Jump. No good. Rebound by Sabala. Foul. Who's foul ref? 23. Matundan. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 bonus shot awarded to Sabala. Zabala, good for 1 point. Second throw, jumpers ready. Perfect 2 by Zabala. Oh, nobody's favor. Gomez to Matundan. Matundan, dumidiskarte Matundan. Matundan to Lordilis. 10 to shoot. To Gomez. Gomez jump. No good. Rebound by Sable. 13 seconds. Shot clock. Still by Laborte. Laborte yung mga atake. Laborte na agawan ni Lordilis. Lordilis. Lordilis attack. Wow! No good. Rebound by Yanto. Yanto ngayon. Yanto pass to right. Right lays up. Good for 2 points. Right. Smooth ang takbo. Each favor. Matundan, Matundan. Pass to Lordilis. Take the shot. No good. Rebound by Zabala. Zabala, duminis ng Zabala attack. Foul. Brillantes. Brillantes. First personal foul, second team foul. Right. Right to Laborte. Laborte attack. Black by Gomez. Good for 2 points. Zabala. Last 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Lordilis to Gomez. Gomez to Matundan. Matundan to 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Yanto. Yanto ngayon. Yanto to Laborte attack. Good for 2 points. Laborte. Matundan. Matundan, dribbling the ball, Matundan. 15 to shoot. Lordilis to Matundan. To shoot. To Gomez, take the shot. Yes for 3 points. Gomez. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 13-16. 3 points lead. 3 shot, 21. Right. To Yanto jump. No good. Rebound by Right. Right jump. No good. Rebound by Gomez. Gomez to Matundan. Back. No good. Rebound by Gomez. Attack to Matundan. No good. Same ball. Timeout. Basketball Laros. Running score. Resumption of the ball game. Remaining time was 1 minute and 53 seconds. Running score 16-13. 3 points lead. 3 shot 21. Matundan. Good for 2 points. Matundan. Hilaire to Laborte. Laborte pass to Yanto. Yanto good for 2 points. In 15. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Gomez. 15. 15 to shoot. To Matundan. To Lordilis. Attack. Lays up. No good. Rebound by Matundan. 10 to shoot. To Lordilis. Take the shot. No good. Rebound by Zabala. Zabala pass to Richiller. Foul. Brillantes. Brillantes. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Last 56 seconds. Running score 18-15. 3 points late. Kirisha 21. Bachiller. It's a side foot traveling violation. Gomez. Back to Lordilis. Lordilis doing this guard. Pass to Matundan. Matundan. 10 to shoot. Lordilis 2. Gomez take the shot. Yes, for 3 points. Gomez. 18 all. Nobody's favor. Last 30 seconds. Bachiller. Is still by Gomez. Gomez needs to tuloy. Gomez. Wow. Traveling violation. Last 21 seconds. Deadlock. Nano jump. No good. Rebound by Laborte. Nabitin si Laborte. Last 13 seconds. 18 all. Nobody's favor. Dan jump. No good. Rebound by Nano. Laborte ngayon bilis. Laborte lays up. Good for 2 points. Last 2. End of the second quarter. Running score 20-18. 2 points lead. Risha. Ay, basketballero. Ball. Pasok na.
Ito bola.
Score nga.
Down by Noora. Right. Back to Noora. Alley-oop. Turnover.
Yogi man may manager.
Ortilis. Rolling the ball. Ortilis. Pass to Matundan. Matundan doing this garden. 15 to shoot to Flordelis. Flordelis attack. Pass to. No good. Rebound by Right. Right and tumutuloy-tuloy Right. Right attack. Side step. Lays up. Good. 2 points. Right. Smooth ang takbo. Still by Sabala. Attack. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 26, Flordelis. First personal foul, first team foul. Running score 22-18, 4 points lead. No good. Good for 1 point. Sabala. Draw. Another one. Sabala. Matundan. Pass to Flordelis. Take the shot for 3. No good. Same ball. Remaining time last 4 minutes. Long 3. No good. Rebound by Flordelis. No good. Rebound by Flordelis ulit. Jump. No good ulit. To Right. Right and tumutuloy-tuloy Right. Side step ulit. No good. Rebound by Bola. Pass to Zabala. Zabala jump. Good for 2 points. Zabala. Flordelis. Pass to Gomez. Back to Flordelis. 10 to shoot. To Gomez. Gomez spin. 5 to shoot. To Flordelis jump. Good for 3 points. Flordelis. 21-26. 5 points lead. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds before end of the third quarter. Yanto. Basket count. Foul. Number 2, Gomez. Gomez, first personal foul. Remaining time less 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Jumpers ready. Yanto ni Ramad. Basketballeros ball. Lordelis. Last 3 minutes. Lordelis to Gomez. Gomez to Rasco. Rasco jump. No good. Rebound by Yanto. Yanto to Noora. Noora tumutuloy-tuloy Noora. Lays up. Good for 2 points. Noora. Hertes to Gomez. Gomez from 3. No good. Rebound by Wright. Wright tumutuloy-tuloy. Wright. Naiwan ang bola to bola jump. Naiwan ang isang pa. Basketballeros ball.
Matundan.
Hertes. Pass to Lordelis. Lordelis. No good. Rebound by Hertes. Turnover. Sub-rep. Yanto out. Palian coming in. Right, moving the ball. Right, pass to Noora. Noora cross. Noora attack. Pass. Table. Offensive foul. Palian. Matundan, pass to Gomez, pick, foul sa Bala. First personal foul, second team foul, 2 bonus shot awarded to Gomez. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Gomez, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Running score, 30-21. Sham na puntos. A good rebound by bola to Right. Right lays up. Pinanan pa. Good for 2 points. Right. Gomez. Hertes. Still by Zabala. Zabala tumatakbo. Turnover. Sabrep. Noora out. Bachiller coming in. Lordelis. Matundan. No good. Rebound by Bola. Bola ngayon tumutuloy-tuloy bola. Bola jump. Ay right. Pass to Bachiller to Bola. Traveling violation committed by Bola. Lordelis. Last 1 minute and 13 seconds. Lordelis jump. No good. Rebound by Right. Right ngayon tumutuloy-tuloy Right. Right jump. Good for 2 points. Right. Last 55 seconds. Lordelis ngayon. Lordelis slide. Pass to Matundan. Matundan jump. Foul. Number 36. Bola. Matundan to Gomez. Gomez attack. It's a foul. Number 29, Palian. Palian, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last 32 seconds. 2 bonus shot awarded to Gomez. First throw. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Gomez side step.
Lawrence, log mo na yan.
Number 29, Palian. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Yun.
For 1 point, Gomez. Second throw, jumpers ready. No good, rebound by Bola to Palian. Palian to Sabala. Sabala attack. Good for 2 points. Sabala. Last 20 seconds. Deadlock. Last 15. Last 10 seconds. Matundan. Take the shot. No good. Last 5 seconds. One second. Nice rap. Good for 2 points. Kuya Taper. Still by Nora. Nora nagkapi pa sa ere. Good for 2 points. Nora.
Gusto ko mga lalaking ini.
May day ka na tayo. To Matundan. Matundan. Bob. To Gomez. 3. No good. Rebound by Rasco. Good
Nice
for
one.
2 points. Rasco. Nora. Nora dribbling the ball. Pass to Palian. Back to Nora. Nora. Pass to Laborte. Laborte. Oh. Foul. Foul. Rasco. Rasco. Second personal foul. First team foul. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. No good. Rebound by foul. Laborte. Laborte. First personal foul, first team foul. Last 4 minutes and 12 seconds. 24-38 sub-rep. Brillantes out. Sarical coming in. Still by Nora. Nora. Nora kayo tumutuloy-tuloy. Nora cross. Attack. No good. Rebound by Laborte. Laborte. To Matundan. Matundan. Spin. Foul. Palian. Palian. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul, Palian. Warning for foul down. Rasco. Rasco, makaldad. Jump. No good. Rebound by Yanto. Yanto ngayon to Laborte. To Palian. Time to shoot. Nora. Nora to Palian. 5 to shoot. To Laborte. No good. Rebound by Gomez. Gomez. Gomez attack. Side step. No good. Rebound by Yanto. Yanto to Laborte. Laborte ngayon. Aborte side step to Palian. No good. Rebound by Rasco. Rasco to Sarikal. Sarikal to Gomez. Gomez in out. No good. For 26, Yanto. Yanto's first personal foul. 30 foul. 2 bonus shot awarded to Gomez. For 1 point, Gomez. Move for 1 point, Gomez. Timeout. 3 shot. Points. 30-26. Last 3 minutes. Team to shoot. No ora. 10 to shoot. Turnover. Winning score 26-38.
Ayos.
2 minutes and 42 seconds. Gomez jump. No good. Rebound by Yanto. Yanto naghahanap ng mapapasahan.
Nice one.
Steal by Gomez. Gomez.
Ay, Diyos ko po.
Yanto.
Nice
Steal by
one.
Gomez. Rasco.
Nice
Foul.
one.
Foul.
Yan to.
Foul. Yanto. Second personal foul. Warning for Sabrep. No order out. Right coming in.
Sure.
Sige na siya, hindi ka kasama. Ang galing. Sunod na.
Hindi po nasa Manila.
Control jumpers ready.
Nice one na.
Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Right tumutuloy-tuloy. Right pass to
Nice one.
turnover. Time out. But last 2 minutes. Reception of the ball game. Last 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Lord Delis dribbling the ball. Lord Delis to Gomez, take the shot.
Nice
Good for 3
one.
points. Gomez. 2 minutes. Laborte. Laborte to right. Right pass to
Aboy kaya nyo yan.
Take 30, 8 points lead. Risha, 21, last 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Bola, bola.
Good. Rebound by Sabala. Sabala ngayon tumutuloy-tuloy sa bala. To Laborte, nilamad ng bola.
Gamit ng oras.
Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. 15 to shoot. 8 to shoot.
Ay!
Gomez. Gomez tumutuloy-tuloy. Gomez. Wow! To to right. Last 1 minute.
Nice.
Brillantes, 55 seconds. Brillantes.
Nice one. Ano na yan?
Second personal foul penalty.
Sure. Diyos ko naman.
Second throw jumpers ready. Last 50 seconds. Antes. Sabala.
Ay!
Last 41 seconds.
Hindi ka pa maging kwento.
Break. Personal foul. Second team foul. Astro jumper. For 1 point. Zabala. Last four.
Ay.
Resumption of the ball game. Last 31 seconds. 40-31. 9 points lead. Yanto to Laborte. Laborte to right. 15 to shoot. Sabala jump. No good. Rebound by Yanto. No good. Rebound by Gomez. Last 10 seconds. Gomez jump. Yes, for 3 points. Last 8. That's 5, 4, 3, 2. Good for 2 points to right.